Ramadan, Ramadan, spending time together with everyone. It's a whole iftar and having fun, praying and grateful for our blessings this Ramadan. Let us help each other prepare the food, go to the mosque together to pray, help the poor with money and do things good. We will celebrate together this way. It's a special time for family. I'll show my love for you and you show yours to me. Fasting, praying, reading, and charity. We will celebrate together this way. Ramadan, Ramadan, spending time together with everyone. It's a whole iftar and having fun, praying and grateful for our blessings this Ramadan. Let me pray for blessings for all of you. I am grateful you're my family. Read to me from the Quran, pray with me too. Ramadan is very precious to me. It's a special time to show we care. I learned self-control, love, and how to share. And 5 times a day let us kneel in prayer. Ramadan